Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mustafa. Today I'm going to talk about how you can add links to your application, to your React application. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also check the description below because I have created a free guide on how to make money online coding. So let's get started. First of all, as we know, React is a single page web application. Therefore, in order to add links, it's a little bit tricky. And there is a great library called React Router that's going to help us accomplish that, which is an awesome library. It's a great library you can install and you can add it to your project, and you will be able to add links and navigate from one page to another. So let's install this React Router. In order to install it, all you need to do is that you need to copy this line of code, npm install react-router-dom. So let's copy that line of code, and in our project, open your terminal, and in your terminal you just need to type or paste that line of code and hit enter, and this is going to install that module, and you will be able to use it. So it's going to take some time, about 2 to 3 minutes, so don't worry. So once the module has been downloaded, now we can start using it. But how can we use it? Well, if you go back to the website, which is reactrouter.com, which the website from where we have installed the module, you'll find here an example on how to use it. First, in order to be able to use it, you need to import its elements. As you can see, import browser router and switch and root and link. Let me explain how it works. First of all, you need to surround your elements with an element called router. As you can see, at the beginning, you need to surround it with router, and at the end, you need to close that tag. And then inside that, you can have links. For example, you can have here a link called home, and you can have another link called about, and a third link called users. And then you need to have something called switch. And that switch will allow you to go from one page to another. So for example, here inside that switch, we have three routes. The first route has the about URL. So whenever a user clicks on that about link, it's going to execute kind of execute that code and display the about component. If the user clicks on the user's link, it's gonna here go to the route that has the user's URL, and it's gonna display the user's component. So this is how it works. Let's copy that code from here and add it to our application. But before we do that, let's import. We need to import that. So let's now import this. I'm gonna get that line of code, and in our project, I'm gonna paste it at the top of the component that we want to use that in. So I'm gonna paste it here at the top, and we can now start using this module. And I'm going to copy the code from here in order to save our time. I'm going to copy that code, and in our project I'm going to paste it inside that div. I'm going to paste that part, and we can now change what needs to be changed. For example, we don't have about, and we don't have users, and we don't have home. I'm going to remove these, and instead I'm going to leave these as they are. But if the user clicks on about, we want to display here just h1 that's going to say about. Here it's going to say about. And if the user clicks on users, I'm going to display here h1 and then users. And if the user just clicks on the main route, we can just say h1 main route, main link, or main page. Let's say main page. And let me now save and head on over to the browser to see how it's gonna look like. Now in the browser, let me first refresh. And as you can see now, we have 3 links. We have home, we have about, and we have users. And by default, it's gonna display the main root, the main page. If you click on about, it's gonna display the H1 that's inside the about root. If you click on users, it's gonna display users. And notice the difference in the URL in the browser. Now in the browser, it's displaying /users. If you click on about, it's gonna display /about. So this is how you can add links to your React application by using the React Router module. So if you have any questions about this tutorial or other tutorials, leave your comments and your questions in the comment section below. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. And I have also created a course on how to create a social network using React. I'd highly recommend taking this course if you really want to master React. That's it. This is Mustafa. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.